Hey everyone! Welcome back to DIFIBER channel. Today, we're diving into some fascinating news about our gut bacteria and how they might just hold the key to tackling high cholesterol levels. So grab a snack and let's get into it. Alright, so here is the deal. Scientists have uncovered something pretty cool. They've discovered certain bacteria living in our gut that have a special enzyme. And what does this enzyme do? Well, it basically turns the bad cholesterol into something harmless. How awesome is that? Now, before you start picturing tiny lab coat-wearing bacteria, let me break it down for you. These little guys are part of what we call the microbiome, a community of tiny organisms chilling out in our gut, doing all sorts of important stuff for our health. So, what's the big deal with this discovery? Well, high cholesterol levels can be a real problem, right? They can clog up our arteries and lead to heart issues down the road. But now, with these bacteria on our side, we might have a new way to tackle the cholesterol problem. But hold your horses, folks. While this discovery is super exciting, we're not quite ready to pop the champagne bottles just yet. See, this research is still in the early stages. Scientists need to do more tests to make sure these bacteria can really make a difference inside our bodies. So, how did scientists even find these cholesterol-busting bacteria? Well, they took a deep dive into the gut microbiomes of over 1,000 volunteers. And guess what they found? Some special bacteria, including ones with the fancy name Oscillobacter, were linked to lower cholesterol levels. Now, here is where it gets really cool. Using some high-tech wizardry, scientists were able to hunt down the genes responsible for this cholesterol magic. They used something called a protein language model, basically a super smart computer program that can sniff out important genes. And guess what? They found them. These bacteria have the genetic goods to break down cholesterol like it's no big deal. So, what does all of this mean for us? Well, imagine a future where instead of popping pills to lower our cholesterol, we could just take some friendly bacteria instead. Pretty cool, right? But before we get too carried away, there are still some challenges to overcome. Delivering these bacteria to the right place in our gut isn't as easy as it sounds. Plus, our gut already has its own bustling community of bacteria, so squeezing in some newbies might be a bit tricky. So, while we're not quite there yet, this research opens up a whole new world of possibilities for tackling high cholesterol. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be sipping on probiotic smoothies to keep our hearts happy and healthy. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science goodness. Until next time, stay curious.